Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today we're actually going to do something a little bit different. We're going to actually be adding in a pond feature. So we've got a little bit of a small area that we'd like to do a pond, and we're going to try to get this pond in for somewhere around $200 to $300 tops. And so I'll show you along the way how the build's progressing and what materials we're using, and so that maybe if you guys want to try something like this. I've got a fish coming from my cousin, a little koi that he'd like to rehome, so we're trying to get this done this weekend so we can get that fish in his new home. So guys, stay tuned, I'll show you what's going on. So as you can see, this is just next to the little somewhat basketball court. Got a very small area. It's about 4 foot by 5 foot, and we'd like to have a little waterfall feature. So we're gonna have the waterfall feature up in this corner over here, and then as you can see, I've already kind of mapped out the pond. Looks really small, as you can tell, but because we're doing fish, we wanted depth. So we're using a tote for the pond itself, and I know we'll get tons of feedback on that, guys, but we'll see how it works. Don't worry, I'll be overwintering this fish in the house over winter. This will not be a year-round container for him, and we may add a couple other fish like mollies, things like that can handle the cold temperatures of this water. So we'll be doing plants around the pond here as well. We've got our waterfall feature. This is what's called a spillway. I'll be putting some biological sponges in here, and so that way we have some good filter media for the fish, and I'll show you guys all about that as well. But let's get this pond dug and we'll get started. Guys, we're at the depot just getting some more pond supplies. Got the hole dug, we'll show you that in a little bit, and let me show you some of the supplies we're picking up. Some of the supplies, don't mind these ones on top there for the treehouse. But we got rock pebble, and we got some pavers that we're going to build a wall behind. And then these are some flat stones that we're picking up so we can border the pond. So it's going to come out great. We'll let you know. Keep on watching. Okay guys, as you can see, we've got our hole dug. Rock won't be there. Just laying down some weed barrier first. You should always put weed barrier down when you're building a pond, so you don't get weeds and roots growing up and poking your liner. This is a heavy duty type fabric weed barrier. Starting the retaining wall in the back that we just picked up, and we're going to have that, so we have that'll wrap around the pond feature a little bit. So stay tuned guys, we'll show you some more along the way. Okay guys, so we've got our weed barrier in, we've got our retaining wall. We're going to build up dirt around the waterfall. Waterfall is going to look something like that, and everything's leveled out, and now we're just backfilling a little bit of extra dirt on the sides there, and then we'll be laying our flat stone around. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we got the rocks in, we got the stones in. Test run of the waterfall's looking pretty good, and so now I gotta backfill that area around there, secure it, and we'll be good. Hey guys, so you can see where some of the greenery is going in. We're going to be working on getting all the plants in, but got to completely drain this, refill it. But as you can see, that's going to be the look. So DIY weekend waterfall pond feature. So we got to get this ready for the fish and get some more plants in, and I'll give you guys an update. So we're back with more plants. As every gardener knows, you can never have too many plants. So we're just starting to get them in the ground now. Some calla lilies, some lilium lilies, some citronella to help with the mosquitoes, some lavender. Show you some more when they're all done. Water's clearing up nice. I'll show you how I did that too. Okay guys, so as you can see, we added some more plants in, got everything planted, some calla lilies in the back, a nice potted plant here, I have no idea the name of these guys, but they'll grow a little bit taller and look really nice. And then we've got some lavender in there, help deter some bugs. Got some more of those planted in. Citronella, some more calla lilies, some lilies in the back there, some more citronella. So really finished off this feature nice. So quick weekend project, easy to do. One recommendation, don't put the rocks in until you put the plants in, just a tip. It was a little pain to pull them all back out. And then underneath here, I'll show you guys the falls really quick here. I've got some lava rocks because of the biological media, as well as I've got a some batting, which is just pillowcase batting, which is why my water is clearing up. You can see the bottom now. It's kind of hard to see on the video, it doesn't do it justice. But that batting that's in there is easily replaceable. This pump will not be here in the future, but I'm jump starting it with some biological media from inside the fish tank, so that'll give it a good jump start. These balls actually they're light up balls, they can change color and stuff, so they're going to be really nice. So great new home for the fish. So there you have it, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, definitely like this video, subscribe, share it out to some friends that might be thinking about doing a DIY pond project, and make sure you hit that notification bell for more projects and things like that to come in the future. And as always, guys, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. I'll put a link to the description of all the actual items in the description. I'll put a link to all the items below for everything that we use, so you guys can check it out, except for the plants, because you're just gonna have to check your local plants for those. So all right, guys, take care.